There are certain writing strategies that are very important to know when you're taking the ACT English. As you're working through a passage, make sure you know whether you're reading a description, which is a better picture of a person, object, or event, a narration, which is a descriptive account of an event or experience, an explanation, which breaks down a process into steps, or a compare and contrast piece, which shows the similarities and differences between two items, or a cause and effect piece, or whether you're being persuaded in some way. It's important to know a little bit more about a persuasive argument also. Sometimes an argument will have logos, which is a logical appeal, or ethos, which is a credibility appeal, or pathos, which is an emotional appeal, and you should know which of these you are getting in the argument or the persuasive piece. An example of this would be in a Coke commercial. The logical appeal would be that a lot more people drink Coke than any other soft drink. A credibility appeal would be that a famous person who you really like drinks Coke. And emotional appeal might be that you will get more of a magnetic personality if you drink Coke. There are times when the ACT will ask you to add information to a text. And the test will let you know the intended purpose, such as asking for a transition or a topic sentence or a conclusion. And just make sure that your answer makes logical sense. And if you don't really understand or you don't really know the answer, eliminate the answers that you know are not correct, and then guess between one or two or three answers. At times you will also be asked to delete information from a text. And before you do that, try to identify the purpose of the sentence before you look at the answers. And if your answer does not fit exactly with the answers that are given, eliminate the answers to one that applies to the sentences left. Finally, you'll be asked to evaluate some passages. And this is all about picking out the important stuff in a longer reading. And so you might be asked, what is the purpose of the reading, or what is important evidence, or what is the tone of the reading? So if you pick an alleged purpose, make sure that you read the passage through again and see that it worked for you, and then ask the question, why does this work, as the best answer possible. Hopefully this is helpful, and let me know, and we can do some other videos if you'd like.